Alarm screams at 6 a.m. I hit snooze like it's my best friend, but the world won't wait for me, so I grab my keys and set me free. Headphones in, I hit play, same old route, brand new day. Every chorus pumps me up like power steering in my blood. I've got an engine in my chest, keeps me moving when I'm stressed. Every beat's a little spark in the middle of the dark. I may stall, I may need rest, but I'll still try my best, long as this heart won't quit the test. I've got an engine in my chest. Traffic line like a metal snake, everyone's longing for a break. I drum my fingers on the dash, turning patience into flash. I'm not rich, but I've got drive, dreams that keep my soul alive. While the world just honks and shouts, I let this engine drown it out. I've got an engine in my chest, keeps me moving when I'm stressed. Every beat's a little spark in the middle of the dark. I may stall, I may need rest, but I'll still try my best, long as this heart won't quit the test. I've got an engine in my chest. When I feel like breaking down, I'll just shift and change the sound. I've got an engine in my chest, keeps me moving when I'm stressed. Every beat's a little spark in the middle of the dark. I may stall, I may need rest, but I'll still try my best, long as this heart won't quit the test. I've got an engine in my chest. I've got an engine in my chest. Line streams at 6 a.m. I hit snooze like it's my best friend, but the world won't wait for me, so I grab my keys and set me free. Headphones in, I hit play, same old route, brand new day. Every chorus pumps me up like power steering in my blood. I got an engine in my chest, keeps me moving when I'm stressed. Every beat's a little spark in the middle of the dark. I may stall, I may need rest, but I'll still try my best, long as this heart won't quit the test. I got an engine in my chest. Traffic line like a metal snake, everyone's longing for a break. I drum my fingers on the dash, turning patience into flash. I'm not rich, but I got drive, dreams that keep my soul alive. While the world just honks and shouts, I'll let this engine drown it out. When I feel like breaking down, I'll just shift and change the sound. I got an engine in my chest, Alarm went off, but I hit ignore. Got no time for same day anymore. Grab my keys and a too-strong brew. Chase the sunrise like it's something new. Everyone's stuck in the middle line, playing safe till they run out of time. But my heart's got a different plan. Push the pedal, be my own kind of man. I'm left lane living, going a little too fast, chasing every second like it might be my last. I don't wanna coast through a half-lived life. I want highway hearts and a wild sunrise. I want highway hearts and a wild sunrise. I want highway hearts. If I miss a turn, I'll make my own way. Speeding through the Dow past Sunday. This is my kind of winning. Windows down and left lane living. Mom keeps saying, boy, slow down. Friends keep calling me a dreamer clown, but they never felt this rush inside. When the world gets small in a fast car ride, I'll take the risk, I'll take the fine. Before I flatline in a straight old line, the only traffic I accept is the crowd cheering when I've left. The fear is the break, I'm cutting the wire. I'd rather burn out than lose the fire. I'm left lane living, going a little too fast, chasing every second like it might be my last. I don't wanna coast through a half-lived life. I want highway hearts and a wild sunrise. I want highway hearts and a wild sunrise. I want highway hearts. I'm left lane living. I'm left lane living. Alarm went off, but I hit ignore. Got no time for same day anymore. Grab my keys and a too-strong brew. Chase the sunrise like it's something new. Everyone's stuck in the middle line, playing safe till they run out of time. But my heart's got a different plan. Push the pedal, be my own kind of man. I'm left lane living, going a little too fast, chasing every second like it might be my last. I don't wanna coast through a half-lived life. I want highway hearts and a wild sunrise. If I miss a turn, I'll make my own way, speeding through the Dow past Sunday. Yeah, this is my kind of winning. Windows down and left lane living. Mom keeps saying, boy, slow down. Friends keep calling me a dreamer clown, but they never felt this rush
rush inside. When the world gets small in a fast car ride, I'll take the risk, I'll take the fine before I flatline in a straight on line. The only traffic I accept is the crowd cheering when I've left. If fear is the brake, I'm cutting the wire. I'd rather burn out and then lose the fire. I'm left lately living, going a little too fast, chasing every second like it might be my last. I don't wanna coast through a half-lived life. I want highway hearts and a wild sunrise. I'm left lately living. I'm left lately living. I'm going a little too fast, chasing every second like it might be my last. I don't wanna coast through a half-lived life. I want highway hearts and a wild sunrise. I want highway hearts and a wild sunrise.
City's getting quiet, but my brain's too loud. Thoughts spinning faster than the passing crowd. Headlights painting stories on the asphalt black. Every little mile pulls the old me back. Phone on silent, I don't need the noise, just the engine hum and my own voice, singing into the chorus of a song I love, while the stars line up above. I'm just rolling past midnight, chasing peace in the dashboard light. Let the world go home, I'll take my time, riding out the echoes in my mind. If tomorrow feels too uptight, I'll remember this quiet night. Windows down, heart so light, while I'm rolling past midnight. I'm just rolling past midnight, chasing peace in the dashboard light. Let the world go home, I'll take my time, riding out the echoes in my mind. If tomorrow feels too uptight, I'll remember this quiet night. Windows down, heart so light, while I'm rolling past midnight.
city's getting high, but my brain's too loud. Thoughts spinning faster than the passing crowd. Headlights painting stories far on the asphalt black. Every little mile pulls the old me back. Phone on silent, I don't need the noise, just the engine humming my own voice, singing to the chorus of a song I love while the stars line up above. I'm just rolling past midnight, chasing peace in the dashboard light. Let the world go home, I'll take my time, riding out the echoes in my mind. If tomorrow feels too uptight, I'll remember this quiet night. Windows down, heart so light, while I'm rolling past midnight. I'm just rolling past midnight, chasing peace in the dashboard light. Let the world go home, I'll take my time, riding out the echoes in my mind. Clouds rolled in without a sound. First few drops on the window pound. You say, should we pull aside? I say no, let's enjoy the ride. The rain writes patterns on the glass, wipers dance as the clouds rolled in without a sound. First few drops on the window pound. You say, should we pull aside? I say no, let's enjoy the ride. Rain writes patterns on the glass, wipers dance as the moments pass. We fall quiet in the silver noise, like the world just lost its voice. Let the rain on the roof be our only proof. Sometimes storms can feel like home when you're not facing them alone. We'll drive slow through this mood. You with me, I'm good. Every drop is a little truth, falling as rain on the roof. clouds rolled in without a sound. First few drops on the window pane. You say, should we pull aside? I say, nah, let's enjoy the ride. Rain writes patterns on the glass. Wipers dance as the moments pass. We fall quiet in the silver noise, like the world just lost its voice. Well, let the rain on the roof be our only proof that sometimes storms can feel like home when you're not facing them alone. We'll drive slow through this mood. You with me, I'm good. Every drop is a little truth, falling as rain on the roof. Let the rain on the roof be our only proof that sometimes storms can feel like home when you're not facing them alone. We'll drive slow through this mood. You with me, I'm good. Every drop is a little truth, falling as rain on the roof. Driving west at the end of the day, sky bleeds orange as the light fades away. You say slow down, this looks nice. I nod once, don't think twice. The world behind me starts to glow in the mirror, a private show. Front views filled with city signs, back views painted in heaven's lines. These rear view sunsets remind me not to forget that even as the day is done, there's beauty in the things we run from. I'll keep moving, no regrets, but I'll glance back when it sets. Yeah, life leaves colors when it jets, like these rear view sunsets. You take a picture through the glass, trying to make the moment last. But some things can't be held or kept, only felt and softly wept. We don't talk, we just take it in, let the changing light soak our skin. When the darkness finally grows, we keep driving with a glow. These rear view sunsets remind me not to forget that even as the day is done, there's beauty in the things
sunsets. These rearview sunsets. These rearview sunsets remind me not to forget that even as the day is done, there's beauty in the things we run from. I'll keep moving, no regrets, but I'll glance back when it sets. Yeah, life leaves colors when it jets, like these rearview sunsets. Like these rearview sunsets. Driving west at the end of the day, sky bleeds orange as the light fades away. You say, slow down, this looks nice. I'd nod once, don't think twice. The world behind me starts to glow. In the mirror, a private show. Front views filled with city signs, back views painted in heaven's line. These rearview sunsets remind me not to forget that even as the day is done, there's beauty in the things we run from. I'll keep moving, no regrets, but I'll glance back when it sets. Yeah, life leaves colors when it jets, like these rearview sunsets. You take a picture through the glass, trying to make the moment last, but some things can't be held or kept, only felt and softly wept. Me, don't talk, we just take it in, let the changing light soak our skin. When the darkness finally grows, we keep driving with a glow. If goodbye had a gentle face, it'd be this fading light in space. These rearview sunsets remind me not to forget that even as the day is done, there's beauty in the things we run from. These rearview sunsets remind me not to forget that even as the day is done, there's beauty in the things we run from. Early morning, sky still gray, birds rehearsing for the day. I slide in, turn the key, whisper, world, you won't tame me. Got my hoodie and an empty list, no obligations I've gotta take, just a full tank and a hungry soul, ready for something I can't control. Full tank, open road, leave the weights, drop the load. Every kilometer sets today. Yeah. Past the school where I used to dream of bigger lives on a movie screen. Funny how I'm not famous yet, but I've got peace and that's a bet. People chase a shiny crown, I chase sunsets out of town. They build walls, I find lanes, they wear masks, I lose change. Someday I might settle down, but not until I've seen this round. Full tank, open road, leave the weight, drop the load. Every kilometer sets me free from the version they expect of me. No promise, no fix-it code, just a full tank, open road. If I find myself along the way, that's the best thing I could gain today. Yeah. Full tank, open road, leave the weight, drop the load. Every kilometer sets me free from the version they expect of me. No promise, no fix-it code, just a full tank, open road. If I find myself along the way, that's the best thing I could gain today. Yeah. Hilly morning, sky still gray, birds rehearsing for the day. I slide in, turn the key, whisper world, you won't tame me. Got my hoodie and an empty list, no obligations I gotta take. Just a full tank and a hungry soul, ready for something I can't control. Full tank, open road, leave the way, drop the load. Every kilometer sets me free from the version they expect of me. No promise, no fix-it code, just a full tank, open road. If I find myself along the way, that's the best thing I could gain today. I passed the school where I used to dream of bigger lives on a movie screen. Funny how hilly morning, sky still gray, birds rehearsing for the day. I slide in, turn the key, whisper world, you won't tame me. Got my hoodie and an empty list, no obligations I gotta take. Just a full tank and a hungry soul, ready for something I can't control. Full tank, open road, leave the way, drop the
version they expect of me. No promise, no fix-it code, just a full tank open road. If I find myself along the way, that's the best thing I could gain today. I passed the school where I used to dream of bigger loves on a movie screen. Funny how I'm not famous yet, but I've got peace, and that's a thing. Full tank open road, lead the way. Drop the load, every kilometer sets me free from the version they expect of me. From the version they expect of me. People chase a shiny crown, I chase sunsets out of town. They build walls, I find lanes. They wear masks, I lose shame. Someday I might settle down, but not until I've seen this round. Full tank open road, lead the way. Drop the load, every kilometer sets me free from the version they expect of me. Full tank open road, lead the way. Drop the load, every kilometer sets me free from the version they expect of me. From the version they expect of me.
Highs too heavy, lane lines blur. Radio's just a distant purr. Sign says motel exit 1. Neon letters barely run. We pull off to that lonely place, faded paint and empty space. But there's a charm in broken things, like this room with squeaky springs. In this overnight highway motel, we got stories we could tell. Peeling wallpaper, buzzing light, still feels perfect for tonight. We'll crash and dream, and then we'll go back to chasing tomorrow's glow. But for now, we're doing well in this overnight highway motel. Ice machine rattles down the hall, someone's TV through the wall. But wrapped up in this cheap white sheet, even nowhere feels complete. I don't need a five-star stay, just a roof till break of day. Tomorrow's road will call again, but tonight this is where we end. In this overnight highway motel, we got stories we could could tell. Peeling wallpaper, buzzing light, still feels perfect for tonight. If home is where I rest my head, then this small room's home instead. In this overnight highway motel, in this overnight highway motel, we got stories we could tell. Peeling wallpaper, buzzing light, still feels perfect for tonight. We'll crash and dream, and then we'll go back to chasing tomorrow's glow. But for now, we're doing well in this overnight highway motel. Eyes too heavy, lane lines blur, radio's just a distant purr. Sign says motel exit 1, neon letters early run. We pull off to that lonely place, faded paint and empty space. There's a charm in broken things, like this room with squeaky springs. In this overnight highway motel, we got stories we could tell. Peeling wallpaper, buzzing lights, still feels perfect for tonight. We'll crash and dream, and then we'll go back to chasing tomorrow's glow. But for now, we're doing well in this overnight highway motel. The ice machine rattles down the hall, someone's TV through the wall. But wrapped up in this cheap white sheet, even nowhere feels complete. I don't need a 5-star stay, just a roof till break of day. Tomorrow's road we'll call again, but tonight this is where we end. If home is where I rest my head, then this small room's home instead. In this overnight highway motel, we got stories we could tell. Peeling wallpaper, buzzing lights, still feels perfect for tonight. We'll crash and dream, and then we'll go back to chasing tomorrow's glow. But for now, we're doing well in this overnight highway motel. Yeah. If home is where I rest my head, then this small room's home instead. In this overnight highway motel, we got stories we could tell. Peeling wallpaper, buzzing lights, still feels perfect for tonight. We'll crash and dream, and then we'll go back to chasing tomorrow's glow. But for now, we're doing well in this overnight highway motel. Highway motel. Highway motel. First gear, slow roll out the street, city on and underneath my feet. Morning breeze sneaks into the car, feels like freedom isn't that far. Coffee cup shaking in the holder there, messy hair but I don't care. Traffic jam can try its best, but my soul's still getting rest. I don't need a crown or throne, just a good song and the ride alone. This is my open window anthem. Let the daylight fill the cabin, sing along to every line I know. Let the soft wind steal the show. World outside can roll its tantrum, I'll just turn up my own anthem. Every breath and every random beat becomes my open window anthem. I don't need up or day or wrong, just a good song and the ride along. This is my open window anthem. Let the daylight fill the cabin, sing along to every line I know. Let the soft wind steal the show. World outside can roll its tantrum, I'll just turn up my own anthem. Every breath and every random beat becomes my open window anthem. Beat becomes my open window anthem. This is my open window anthem. Sing along to every line I know. This is my open window anthem. Sing along to every line I know. Let the soft wind steal the show. Let the soft wind steal the show. Let the soft wind steal the show. First gear, slow roll out the street, city on and underneath my feet. Morning breeze sneaks into the car, feels like freedom isn't that far. Coffee cup shaking in the holder there, messy hair, but I don't care. Traffic jam can try its best, but my soul's still getting rest. I don't need a crown or throne, just a good song and the ride along. This is my open window anthem. Let the daylight fill the cabin, sing along to every line I know. Let the soft wind steal the show. World outside can roll its tantrum, I'll just turn up my own anthem. Every breath and every random beat becomes my open window anthem. This is my open window anthem. Let the daylight fill the cabin, sing along to every line I know. Let the soft wind steal the show. This is my open window anthem. Let the daylight
Flickering lights on a dusty sign, open all night in a crooked line, pulling in with a heavy head. Fill the tank, fix the dread. You grab 2 sodas from the fridge inside, laughing at the way we live our lives. Cheap snacks, big talk on the hood of the car, dreams parked under these neon stars. Under this gas station halo, we're broke but feeling fuego, counting coins for a midnight snack, planning ways we won't look back. Not a palace, not a stage show, but this place feels holy though, to lost souls with miles to go. Under this gas station halo, we're broke but feeling fuego, counting coins for a midnight snack, planning ways we won't look back. Under this gas station halo, under this gas station halo. Flickering lights on a dusty sign, open all night in a crooked line, pulling in with a heavy head. Fill the tank, fix the dread. Oh, you grab 2 sodas from the fridge inside, laughing at the